Here are the guidelines for downloading the leads. Simply go to business.facebook.com/ads manager, this link, and select this add lead generation that have generated a lead. Select this campaign from here and go to ads level, and from ads level you can see under the results here is the one lead that we have generated. Click on this under the text lead form and download that in CSV or XLS, whichever format you want, and then you can open that file. And here are the questions that we have put in the form, and they have replied to us. So here is their email, their phone number, their full name, and gross monthly sales, the questions that we have put in the lead generation ad form. So from here in last four columns you can get the answers. In this way you can download the leads and further engage with them and call them, or whatever your next marketing funnel is.